Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Monday Eve. I didn't record myself making these bracelets. I was on the phone with my son, and anytime we chat and we stay on the phone for hours at a time, so I didn't want to hang up from him because our conversations was too good. So I made this while we were talking. So this is a 3-stack, and you can see some custom charms in here. This is a piece of glass. It's a glass bead that I used and just wrapped it with some of that 18 gauge wire. And then we just made some more custom charms up here. I really like custom charms. They add a nice little flair to pieces, as opposed to just the charms that we buy that might be letters or the generic ones that we buy. So you can make a charm just look, like really lovely, like what I've done here. I really like the way these look. So this is another 3-stack. So I'll be taking pictures of these, and then I'll be adding these to a couple of websites to sell. In addition, I'll be taking some pictures, of course, and then take pictures and sell the pictures, and just keep the party moving. But anyway, that's why I didn't record these, but I really like them. So we got the wood backs, and then we got real nice focal fronts. And then I need to order some more aluminum wire too. I'm short on aluminum wire. But this is what we got. Darlene Knight for Jared by BDK. And we'll talk.